Mette Riise. Tak for det. Rigtig pænt af dig. Jeg vil gerne nominere Rikke Nygaard Åsbjerg og Rikke von Bar til at hoppe i vandet. Og hvis I ikke gør det inden for 48 timer, så skylder I mig noget god mad og en tur i bil. And then I would like to nominate Kate. I'm not sure if this whole jump into the sea thing has reached Australia yet, but it's about to, because I'm going to nominate you to jump into the water, which is not going to be a pool, within 48 hours. And if you don't do that, then you'll owe me a good nice dinner when we go to Borneo in December. So enjoy, Kate! Og det samme til Rikkerne. God fornøjelse.